This is the TR-3A Black Manta. It is either one of the most sophisticated aircraft ever built, a real-life UFO, or an elaborate hoax, an enormous deception. Yet, some say credible sources claim to have seen it. The TR-3A lacks a traditional fuselage or tail. It features a flying wing design, much like an early predecessor to the B-2 Spirit. Its primary function is stealth. The aircraft is believed to be constructed with advanced composite materials or stealth-enhancing elements, possibly integrating radar-absorbent coatings to minimize its radar cross-section. Its exterior is finished in matte black or dark gray, a choice made not only to evade radar detection, but also to blend into the night sky. The aircraft's flying wing structure naturally reduces radar reflections, while serrated edges or specialized surface treatments further scatter radar waves. Heat emissions, particularly from its engines, are carefully managed to lower infrared signatures. Engine noise is also minimized to enhance acoustic stealth. The positioning of air intakes and exhausts is deliberately designed to aid in this noise suppression. Powering the TR-3A is likely a set of conventional turbojet or turbofan engines, seamlessly integrated into its structure for stealth optimization. The TR-3A is an engineering marvel, designed for near invisibility with unparalleled stealth. Yet, its advancements pale in comparison to its successor, the TR-3B Astra. The TR-3B Astra has never been photographed. Its existence is supported only by classified documents and eyewitness accounts from secret black projects. Yet these descriptions are extraordinarily detailed. It is much larger than the TR-3A, reportedly shaped like a large equilateral triangle, strikingly similar to many UFO sightings. If the reports are accurate, the TR-3B Manta is one of the most formidable aircraft ever conceived. Its triangular frame, reminiscent of the B-2 Spirit and F-117 Nighthawk, provides exceptional stealth characteristics. At each of its three corners, on the aircraft's underside, are turbofan engines equipped with thrust vectoring nozzles, allowing for extreme maneuverability. These engines enable rapid, high-G turns and sharp angular flight patterns that far exceed the capabilities of traditional fighter jets. The TR-3B's primary propulsion system, its anti-gravity drive, has minimal moving parts, allowing it to travel almost completely silently. This may explain why most witnesses only describe the aircraft as a glowing formation of lights beneath a triangular outline, rather than recalling any distinct sound. The plasma generated by the TR-3B further reduces its radar signature, making it virtually undetectable. This level of stealth allows the TR-3B to penetrate the airspace of any nation undetected, evading both air traffic control and advanced defense systems. This makes it an ideal platform for intelligence-gathering missions, particularly during the 1990s, a period of intense covert operations between the United States and the Soviet Union. It's no surprise that the most advanced aircraft of this era all prioritized stealth. The F-117 Nighthawk, B-2 Spirit, and F-22 Raptor all likely took inspiration from the TR-3B, each shaping the future of aerial warfare in its own way. The F-117 Nighthawk was the first operational aircraft designed around stealth technology. It demonstrated the unmatched power of stealth during the Gulf War and the Yugoslav conflict, where only a single unit was ever lost in combat. The B-2 Spirit remains the only aircraft capable of merging long-range flight, heavy payload capacity, and stealth into a single platform. It can deliver up to 20 tons of ordnance anywhere in the world within hours. At a staggering $2 billion per unit, it holds the title of the most expensive aircraft in history. The F-22 Raptor, the aircraft responsible for retiring the Nighthawk, was the world's first fifth-generation fighter jet. Despite being in service for nearly 2 decades, it remains the most lethal fighter ever constructed, thanks to its unmatched super maneuverability, super cruise capabilities, and extreme altitude performance. At $350 million per unit, it holds the title of the most expensive fighter jet in history. It appears that the TR-3B served as an inspiration for some of the most advanced and successful aircraft ever built. Many of these modern jets share certain core features with the TR-3B, yet none have been able to replicate the aircraft's revolutionary anti-gravity propulsion system. And that's not by choice. The technology behind such a system is as mysterious as the aircraft itself. Simply put, it is beyond cutting edge. It is wildly, extraordinarily, and almost unimaginably sophisticated. The U.S. has studied anti-gravity technology for over 70 years, with concepts of mass reduction and propellantless propulsion appearing in declassified patents. Research from NASA, the Air Force Research Lab, and leading institutes supports these theories, though classified data likely holds more. And this is only what has been declassified. There is likely much more hidden within classified sources. It seems that the most advanced military and academic research laboratories have spent nearly a century trying to crack the code of anti-gravity propulsion. So far, the TR-3B is one of the very few, if not the only, aircraft tied to reality that has allegedly succeeded in implementing an anti-gravity-based propulsion system. Here's how that system was engineered. During its alleged development, the TR-3B was reportedly codenamed ASTRA. Its first operational reconnaissance flight supposedly took place in the early 1990s, and its nuclear-powered battery, designed to fuel its anti-gravity propulsion system, was constructed under extreme secrecy within the Aurora program. This classified program funneled billions of dollars into the TR-3B, coordinated by the NSA, NRO, and CIA. The result? A propulsion system unlike anything else in existence. At the heart of this system is a circular plasma accelerator inside the aircraft, a mechanism known as magnetic field disruption, MFD. Surrounding the crew compartment, MFD creates a powerful magnetic field that reduces the effects of gravity by up to 89%. This means that the weight of the aircraft and its entire propulsion system is cut by nearly 90%, making it incredibly easy to maneuver. On paper, the TR-3B should be able to reach speeds of Mach 9, both vertically and horizontally, with its only real limitation being human biology rather than physics. The plasma within the MFD is a marvel on its own. It is created by compressing mercury to 250,000 atmospheres while maintaining a temperature of -123 degrees Celsius inside the aircraft. This process is powered by the nuclear battery, and when the plasma is accelerated to 50,000 revolutions per minute, it becomes superconductive, triggering the MFD activation. Once this occurs, the aircraft neutralizes gravitational force, allowing it to levitate effortlessly. The ability to manipulate gravity in this way is nothing short of godlike power. The potential applications extend far beyond propulsion. This technology could bridge the gap between reality and science fiction. It is precisely this kind of unparalleled power that has led scientists from both Washington and Moscow to collaborate in an effort to understand it. With anti-gravity technology, military forces would no longer need to intercept incoming artillery or missiles. They could simply repel them mid-flight. This technology could redefine warfare, rendering traditional missile defense systems obsolete. Furthermore, anti-gravity propulsion could finally eliminate the world's reliance on inefficient rocket fuel, revolutionizing space travel and global transportation in ways once thought impossible. To put into perspective just how inefficient traditional rocket fuel is, consider this. The amount of fuel required to reach the nearest neighboring star would be equivalent to the mass of the Sun itself. Clearly, this is an impossibility, at least with today's technology. This is where anti-gravity propulsion could revolutionize the way we approach space travel and energy efficiency. If fully developed, such technology would rewrite the rules of physics as we know them. The TR-3B may have already played a role in this pursuit, but the real question remains: what is its future? And more importantly, what does the future hold for other classified black aircraft? The future of secret black aircraft is shaping up to be nothing short of extraordinary, enough to make even the most advanced fighter jets look outdated. To clarify, the term black does not necessarily refer to the aircraft's color, but rather to its classification as part of a black project, a highly classified military program shrouded in secrecy. These aircraft will likely play pivotal roles in next-generation aviation technology, particularly in areas such as stealth evolution. Future developments will likely see aircraft become even more undetectable across multiple spectrums, including radar, thermal, and acoustic detection. This may involve metamaterials capable of bending light around an aircraft, or active stealth systems that dynamically adjust to evade threats in real time. Exotic propulsion and the next frontier. While anti-gravity propulsion is still theoretical, research into more efficient systems continues, ranging from ion thrusters and nuclear propulsion to potential quantum-based technologies. AI and autonomy, the rise of unmanned combat. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have already reshaped modern warfare, demonstrating their lethal capabilities on the battlefield. As autonomous systems become more advanced, we may be witnessing the dawn of a new era where human pilots are no longer necessary. The increasing integration of artificial intelligence into classified black projects could pave the way for fully autonomous stealth aircraft, with combat and reconnaissance capabilities that far exceed today's UAVs. These AI-driven black aircraft might one day be capable of making independent tactical decisions in combat situations, further shifting the balance of aerial warfare. Hybrid space air vehicles, the future of aviation. The TR-3B reportedly possessed a propulsion system capable of reaching near space altitudes, which could explain why sightings have been so rare. If such technology exists, it could mean the development of a new generation of hybrid aircraft capable of seamlessly transitioning between atmospheric flight and space travel. Imagine true hybrid aircraft that could maneuver effortlessly between Earth's atmosphere and outer space, the kind of technology that would be even more shocking than UFOs. If extraterrestrial vehicles truly exist, classified aircraft like the TR-3B might not be far behind. The silent sentinels of technological evolution. Within the shadowed corridors of classified aerospace development, black aircraft stand as silent sentinels, guardians of the most enigmatic advancements in aviation. These machines are the birthplace of unbelievable technologies, many of which remain hidden from public view. From mysterious aircraft like the TR-3A Black Manta and TR-3B Astra, to once top-secret programs like the F-117 Nighthawk, SR-71 Blackbird, and F-22 Raptor, these aircraft have consistently secured U.S. dominance in the skies, and they aren't stopping anytime soon. As the future unfolds, the descendants of these legendary aircraft will carry on the same mission, ensuring that the United States remains at the forefront of aerial superiority. If you want to stay updated on these fascinating developments, subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video. Thank you for watching.